Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In previous video I taught you the working of syntax, but basic syntax, and in this video I'm gonna teach you this program. So have a look. So that's all. So let's start. I'm going to select new project. So what we have to do is select a sprite which is already there. Now I'm gonna choose a backdrop. So what was our backdrop? It was blue sky. So the choosing of sprite and backdrop is done. Now what we have to do first, we always have to pick when green flag clicked, because without it our program won't run. So now what we have to do is we have to start the cat from this position. So we are going to set this cat from this position to this position. So have a look, please concentrate. When I am moving this cat from here to there, these coordinates of x value and y value is changing. Have a look here again. So you all know this is called x-axis and this is called y-axis. So are they. These are the x coordinate, these are the y coordinates. Okay, so I'm going to set the cat's position here. So you can see the positions of x coordinate and y coordinate are changing. So now I am going to drag this and drop it here. So what this means is when green flag clicked, I am going to set the cat position here. Okay, now what I want the cat to say let's go for a walk. So we going to looks and say hello for 2 seconds. So what I am going to write is let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. Okay, for 2 seconds. So let's run it. Okay, I think you're getting it. Now what I am going to do is I want to move the cat 10 steps ahead. So I am going to put a loop which is in control. Repeat, move 10 steps. Okay, so I am going to repeat it 30 times so that we can easily see the cat's movement. Okay, so have a look. And he is moving. Okay, stop. Now what I am going to do is I want to do, the cat says you want to see magic. So what I am going to do is I'll put wait 1 second. I am putting wait. I will put wait every time because it will make you more clear how is it working. Okay, so I am going to looks and say what I am going to do, replace hello to you want to see magic. So have a look. He is saying let's go for a walk, move 10 steps ahead and saying you want to see magic. Look, if I don't put wait 1 second here, it will immediately say you want to see magic after this, the completion of this loop. That is why I am putting wait 1 second here, so that when he moves, when the sprite moves 10 steps ahead, he will wait for 1 second and then he will say you want to see magic. It is totally up to you if you want to put wait or not. Okay, I am putting here so that you can understand the things easily, you can understand the working easily. Okay, now I am again going to put weight. So now what the sprite is doing, what is our story? We want to create a story, no? So after asking you want to see magic, he will say I'll become dwarf. So replace hello to I will become dwarf. Okay, so have a look. So I think this is clear. If you have any queries regarding this, please drop your queries in comment box. I'll immediately answer. So I am again, now what I want to do is, our cat is here. I want, when I start the program again, I want cat to its initial position. So what I am going to do is, I am again setting the coordinates same. What was our coordinates before? Minus 183 to minus 13. Now have a look. He'll come again to its initial position after saying I'll become dwarf. Okay, so now you know what is the use of go to x to y block. So you can also change the size of cat by going to change size by 10. Okay, so I'll put it here, and I'll also put weight so that you can see the working properly. Have a look. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the size by minus 40 so that his size will get decreased. So now his size will decrease. Have a look, and he'll return to its initial position. I think you guys understand what I am trying to convey. If you have any queries, please drop your queries in comment box. I'll answer you there. And please do subscribe this channel and like this video. Thank you. That's all.